Hey folks, today is September 16th. It's currently 10:07. I did have a recording previously where I had taken off my first profit target, as you can see here. First profit target was taken off at about 1.31967, and my stop was up here around 10 pips, right above the precog ribbon here. That first recording messed up, so I had to restart it. Tried to do it as quick as possible so we could catch the second half of this trade. And I also wanted to show you guys the AUD USD here. There was an opportunity right here, but I wasn't watching it. I've been watching the USD CAD pair, and it did really good. As you can see, we got in here. Market came right down to our first profit target, and hopefully we'll be able to get our second one filled as well. On the crude oil, we have news coming out at 10:30. So I'm not going to look at taking anything there. That's gold. And again, AUD USD. Let's take a look at some of the other pairs, see if anything's changed. No opportunity there. No opportunity there. We've had some really big moves here. Unfortunately, I wasn't around at that time to take advantage of them. USD Japanese yen, no trend direction. All right, as you guys can see here, we're at 1 minute and 38 seconds. Hopefully this recording will go through okay. But we're just going to have to be patient and see what happens here. Actually, I also want to show you guys a bonus that they give you when you sign up for Forex Precog. Or actually, it's just something I noticed the other day. They sent me an email. Let me log into the network. All right, so after you get logged in, if you come down here to reward gifts, they actually have a section right here. Let me take a quick peek. All right, I can do it like this. Much better. All right, so they have this little section here where every few weeks or so they're going to give you a new kind of a tip about trading with the precog system. The first one was actually about not taking any trades that are too far away from the precog ribbon. And I mentioned that a few videos ago, and I decided to take that trade anyway. So obviously I learned my lesson. That's why any trades I take now are going to be right next to or not too far away from the ribbon. One of the rules is that the market has to be, past the ribbon in order to take the trade, but we don't want it to be, way down here when we take the trade. Ideally, a situation like this where the ribbon is right here. And let's see here. We got entered right around this level, which was below the ribbon. And we caught this nice big move here. And you can click on it. And it actually brings this up for you. It's called Trading in the Goldilocks Zone. This is the first bonus that you're going to get. And like I said, they'll be releasing new bonuses every, I'm guessing every few weeks. Let me click on it and see if it pulls it up here. All right, so there it is. It's a PDF file. Definitely something worth looking at. If you haven't gone in to check that out yet, I definitely suggest you do. And keeping a lookout for those emails because they will be coming. All right, I'm going to pause it and we'll come back and see what happens here. All right, guys, I'm going to move my stop down now to continue following the precog ribbon here. Still in profit, but we have a little ways to go here, about 12 more pips to hit that second profit target. And I'm a bit annoyed that I'm not able to show you guys how quickly this bar moved down. Because, I mean, after we got filled, this bar came right down to our first profit target, but it is what it is. I'm not going to complain about it now. So we'll just see if I can catch this second profit target getting filled here. We'll see what happens. All right, guys, the market has come right back up to the precog ribbon. As you can see here, we've been steadily moving our stop down with the precog ribbon. And we've all but destroyed our risk in this trade. I think we're only risking 1 or 2 pips. Our stop originally started up here somewhere. And as we've been following it down, that's been reduced drastically. Hold on, guys. Let me check Forex Factory real quick. But as you guys can see, we just got taken out. Hold on 1 second. I thought I remembered some CAD news coming out here. We had CAD at 8:30. Okay, so the next news isn't going to be until 1:20. Then 10 o'clock we had NAHB Housing Market Index. And 10:30 we had crude oil inventories. That's going to be coming out in about 7 minutes here. All right, as you guys can see here, one contract USD CAD just closed out. That first one, we hit a profit target of 76.52. On the second one, as you guys just saw, we ended up getting stopped out on that one. We only lost $15.90. So Forex Precog gives us another nice winning day here. I'm interested to see what happens with oil after this news release comes out. That should be interesting. Let's see what else is going on in the markets here. I was hoping there would be at least one more setup that I could take since I screwed up that first video. The only one I see is crude oil. And like I said, I'm not going to take a trade on this with there being news coming up here. All right. Well, I guess that's just going to have to be it for today. This is going to be a short video. Even still, you guys got to see how I managed the USD CAD trade just by entering 1-to-1 risk to reward. And then once that first profit target gets hit, just move your stop down with the precog ribbon here. It's a really good way to manage the trades. All right, guys, that's going to be it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to shoot them my way. And also, if you want to get more information on Forex Precog, click the link below. Take care, folks.